Best home remedies for white teeth. How can I get white teeth using home remedies? Are you tired of hiding your smile because of yellow teeth? Worry no more. In this video, we'll show you some easy home remedies to achieve the pearly whites you've always desired. First, let's talk about baking soda. Yes, the same baking soda you use for cooking can be your secret weapon for whiter teeth. Simply mix a small amount with water, creating a paste, and brush your teeth gently for 2 minutes. Rinse and see the difference. Another popular remedy is hydrogen peroxide. As a natural bleaching agent, it can do wonders for your teeth. Combine equal parts hydrogen peroxide and water, swish it in your mouth for a minute, then spit and rinse. Do this twice a week for best results. Apple cider vinegar can also be your teeth's best friend. Mix a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar with a cup of water, and use it as a mouthwash before brushing your teeth. This powerful solution will help remove stains and improve your overall oral health. For the fruit lovers out there, did you know that strawberries and oranges can help whiten your teeth? Rubbing a strawberry or orange peel on your teeth for a minute can break down surface stains and brighten your smile. Now let's talk about oil pulling. This ancient technique involves swishing a tablespoon of coconut, sesame, or sunflower oil in your mouth for 15 to 20 minutes. It not only helps whiten teeth, but also removes bacteria and improves gum health. Lastly, don't forget the importance of regular brushing and flossing. Brushing twice a day and flossing daily not only maintains oral hygiene, but also helps maintain the whiteness of your teeth. So go ahead, try these remedies, and get ready to flash your dazzling smile. Remember, consistency is key, and always consult your dentist before trying any new methods. Happy smiling!